Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to take screenshot on Android phone. So let's get into it. Here I have opened my Android phone, and if we want to take screenshot, we can press on the volume button and also the power button at the same time. So I'm just going to give you example. I'm going to press it. Make sure that you press it at the same time. Okay, and now the screenshot has been taken. And actually there is another way to take screenshot. We can use this assistant menu. You can tap on the assistant menu, then you can click on screenshot to take screenshot like this. Alright, and if the assistant menu hasn't been activated on your phone, you can activate the assistant menu on your setting. And just remember guys that the process or the step will be a little different between one Android phone to another Android phone. It depends on the Android version. Okay, and now it's time to check the screenshot, and we just need to go to the gallery. Then this is the screenshot that I have just taken. Okay guys, and that's how we can take screenshot on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.